Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How To. If your PC time is changed every time you turn off your computer and you are worried that every time you have to change it manually from here, so this video is for you. What you have to do, just go to the search, no matter which window is it, it is 7, 8 or 10. So you have to search in this services. So you can see services and click on it once it is up and you have to find click here and press W so that you can go to Windows W, all alphabets starting with W. I have to search Windows time, so let me drag it down. Windows time, okay, here it is. Double click on this and you can see it is showing startup time manual, so we have to make it automatic delayed start and apply, press OK. Now every time you turn off your computer, this time will not change. Thank you so much.